Big up all of the real father that will take care of them youth, them no matter if them like the baby mother or them don't like the baby mother. You understand? Gemini rule, you hear that? We rule. Big up all Geminis. Everybody who have a birthday in June, big up on yourself. Happy birthday when you come. Happy belated birthday if it can. They don't know what Delus represent to the fullest. So I'm going to continue and enjoy my birthday through all of the month. Isn't it?
Singjay shoots himself. Hi, I'm Ray Williams. Delmark Spence, aka Delus, brother of DJ Konshens, taking his own life. The gun suicide allegedly captured on video.
What tomorrow may bring, nobody don't know, nobody don't know.
Family, friends and fans in mourning. Delmark Spence not as much in the limelight as his brother Konshens, but the Singjay a fixture on the music scene for many years.
Not talk much, you know, I would say a secretive person. You don't even know him troubles, you understand, because I'm not men shy. And I like you go hear him on him top of him voice on him phone. I say, yo girl, I'm not send the baby money or nothing like that. No farmer vibes. If him have trouble with him baby mother, I'm not gonna know. With him brother, I'm not gonna know.
I want to say big up and enough love.
Delus taking his own life in this quiet nook of Havendale on Wednesday at his home right across from Big Ship Recording Studio. DJ Laden marking his 31st birthday Wednesday, one of the last to see him alive.
I was celebrating my birthday yesterday and, you know, prepare stuff and all of that. Music I play, food I cook. I see him pull up on the avenue, I come from beach, him and his girlfriend, 2 more girls. Tell him, say, yo brother, you know, say, I'll get some juice. I say, yeah brother, I'm fresh up and forward. Like it take me 10 minutes to get the juice and reach a ship. When we reach back a ship, at that me I hear the news, him commit suicide in my bathroom. I was so shocked.
Laden doubly shocked to hear that the Singjay had made a video before shooting himself in which he made a tearful confession.
Basically, Delus explaining how his life set up right now, you know, struggles in my face. I don't like this life no more, we can't live no more. He was actually crying on the video also. I refuse to look at the video, you know, but you don't know. My party, my big ship, look at it and tell me exactly what's going on, isn't it?
What did they see?
Wow, he's recording himself basically, talking about his struggles in life and how him can't go on no more, and him love him brother and him no bad mind him brother and him have herpes. Whoa, why am I talk about this though? John, no, brother. We should have, we should have wake up and talk about how we booze up last night.
What else did people see on the video?
Wow, when him actually shoot himself. Like,
Shot himself?
Yes, like him press record, put the phone on somewhere to rest in the bathroom, put the gun as it, and he made squeeze.
So the actual moment of death is recorded on the video, and the police have this video.
I don't know if the police have it, you understand? I don't know who have the video, but it was circulating when the vibes go on in the yard.
So how did these people at Big Ship get to see this video?
Because his girlfriend was right there and she have him phone, take it up and look on it, a stroll and a skip, and you them take it, look on it, see everything. Bigs from Big Ship confirmed that with me, which is my director for all my videos and all of that.
Did they tell you anything else about what they saw on the video?
Well, a lot of things him say when me really know I never rate on, you see me? Personal things, you understand?
Things relating to his love life?
Love life, career, and all of that, etc., etc. Sad, very sad, brother.
So the picture is painted of somebody who thought maybe he never made it as a singer? Does that relate to the content?
Those type of things make up everything, you understand? And one reason him take him life, a whole heap of thing, him a go through a lot. Cause if him video himself and attack a bunch of things, you see me? Him a face it.
What tomorrow may bring, nobody don't know, nobody don't know.
Do you think this video is going to surface at some point?
Yes, I think so. This is Jamaica, you understand?
Where is this video right now?
I don't know, but sooner or later you're gonna see it all over the internet.
Me sure about to die. Tomorrow me no stress over.
DJ Konshens shed tears at the death scene, later taking to Instagram to memorialize his brother. Konshens also issuing a statement in which he said he would pick up the pieces one way or another, and making what appeared to be a promise to take care of Delus's daughter. The DJ adding that he was happy his brother was no longer in torment. Delus turned 35 on Saturday, June 18.
What tomorrow may bring, nobody don't know, nobody don't know. So me a go and do me thing, me just a go and do me thing. Me sure about to die, tomorrow me no stress over. Just a work could me have and just step over. Yeah, me nah go try to put me cap on me and can't reach, nah.